Alrighty, welcome back. This is my Action Clutch Stage 4 for B Series. Stage 4. Alright. Let me do an unboxing video because when I went on YouTube they didn't have a Stage 4 unboxing. So let me unbox mine so I can show you what it looks like. By the way, this is heavy, so this comes. This is the bearings, part number. Let me actually take it out for you, show you what it looks like. That's the bearing. I don't know, Stage 4 is for like 400 horsepower, I believe. I mean, I'm not even gonna have nowhere near close 400 horsepower, but I got a steal on this because this was originally on eBay for $530. I got the clutch and the flywheel, but one of my buddies tagged me on an Instagram post, which the guy, he tagged me on the post, and the guy said the clutch and the flywheel for $450, and I was like, alright, there it is, there goes the steal. $450. Got this big Action Clutch sticker, pretty nice, but I know I won't be using it. I don't like instructions. Oh, this thing is sweet. Yeah, really nice, really nice. Let me lift it up for you guys. Hold on, give me a moment. Let me see if I got. Yes, it's very, very heavy. Yeah. Really nice. What else does this come with? I believe it comes with the alignment tool. Place this down in here. The alignment tool. That too. I'll show you what it is. See if this has a part number 2. Let me zoom out. There it is. Let me open this. This comes with the alignment tool. I'm guessing you need this to install it. Alright. You need this to install it. Without this, I believe you can install it. But yeah. Action Clutch Stage 4 for B Series. Proven on the street and track. One more last glimpse. Really, really nice. Very heavy. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. I don't want to make the video so long for you guys. I ain't trying to waste nobody's time. But I'll be showing you more of my car parts that I'm putting together on my V20 VTEC. Of course, the part number. So yeah, for $530, I got it for $450. I believe it's a good steal. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna put this back together and see ya in the next video.